This pedal combines the looper and the drum machine. This knob is responsible for the drum interface. It has 121 drum rhythms in 11 different styles: pop, funk, blues, rock, etc. Plus it has a metronome. You can change the volume and the tempo. This knob is for looper. When you scroll it, you see the 40 loop slots it has, each up to 4 minutes and unlimited overlayers, which is exciting. I'm going to show you how it works. I'm recording the first layer now. This is the second layer. And one more. You can play with it for hours, believe me. It's a great tool to have. Check my storefront for this one.